Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? We're here today, crypto.com. We just switched over into MMO finance. And why are we here today? Well, let's take a look. You guys know I have some stuff staked here. Pretty good rates still. Not as good as they have been in the past, but they're still decent. But what I want to go to today is a special offer, special token with a huge yield. Look at this. 1200%. Nope, not that one. 9,000%. Nope, but that's pretty good. Okay. 20,000%. Is that even possible? Come on now. Let's take a look. What else we got? Here's what I want to take a look at. Over 100,000% yield. That's crazy. So if I put $1,000 in today, if the yield stays consistent, I will have $100,000 a year from today. That is nuts. So here's my experiment. You guys know I have some Crow taking up space in my account. That's already over the Kronos bridge. And I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to see, okay, over 100,000%, actual APR only 900. Okay, still pretty good. So it's HKN and SVN. And that's the liquidity pair we need to get going. Now, to activate this, we will probably need to spend some Crow. And yeah, 0.2 Crow. Okay, we're going to activate because we're going to try this liquidity farm out, and if it works, if it stays consistent, we're going to make some good coin, and hopefully we can make up some of the loss that I have over at crypto.com because the major crypto crash that's going on right now. Long term, I'm not concerned. Crypto's going up, but for now, what we need to do is we're going to swap some Crow into these two tokens. Alright, so the first one, I'm going to swap 100 Crow into the, what was it called? HKN token. Now, I only get about 16 of these things. You get 6 Crow per HKN. HKN. Okay, fine. And it's going to cost how much? It's going to cost half a Crow about. Okay, we got to be quick about this confirming. And it's going to cost 2 more Crow. Oh man, I can see where this is going already. Well, I'm going to need that 100,000% just to break even. Alright? So, let's go back. Okay, now we're going to swap 100 Crow into, select currency, SVN. Alright, so 1 Crow per SVN, so we get 70 of those. Alright, we got to do it quick so we get the right swap. And it's trying to confirm. It needs an additional Crow. So total Crow in is about 5 or 6. Should not be a big deal in the long run. But, alright. There we go. It's already been converted, so good deal. So let's go back to the wallet. And what we need to do now is create the liquidity pair. Okay, so we had to come over here to the MMF and go to liquidity. And what we will need to do is add liquidity. All right, so we're going to select HKN and we're going to select SVN. And hopefully max, well, I guess we'll go max HKN, whatever. So, here we go. Let's hit supply. Oh, wait. Now we have to enable HKN. What the heck? Another fee. Well, that's a surprise, right? No, it's not. Not a surprise. Not a surprise at all. Come on, guys. Get with the program. Or they nickel and dime us to death here. Good thing they're paying $100,000. All right. All right. So now we will supply, and look at that. We're going to confirm supply, and it's gonna. Oh my gosh, you guys are killing me here. All right. We're gonna need this 100,000% rate to just get back all the crow that I've spent converting. Whew. All right. Anyway, now we have to go back to MMO. So let's go back. We're going to go back to MMO. We got to reconnect the wallet. Well, sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. And it looks like this time we do. So it doesn't take too long to reconnect. Luckily, the system has been getting better, believe it or not. So responsivity, it seems like every transaction has gone through. Before, the system load was just too much, and it wasn't going through hardly at all. But now, it seems like every transaction is going through, probably because crypto's in the tank, and nobody's doing this anymore. They just say the heck with it, because crypto's going down. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to max this out, and I'm going to let it sit. And I'm going to check in on it once in a while. So be sure you guys subscribe to see if we're going to make any money on this, or if we're going to lose like we did with VVS Finance, and we lost like over 60%. Over 70%? Yeah, a lot. We went from 1,000, and we're down to about 200 right now. And that's bad. So, yeah. That happened over there. So go check out those videos if you want to. It's not pretty, but I have faith we're going to do better. So, as soon as this loads... Okay, we finally got this to load. Now, we hit the max button, alright? And we're going to supply this liquidity, alright, about $37 worth. So, multiply that by 1,000. And that's what we should have in a year. If this APY holds. And it's going to cost 6 crow, holy cow. Okay, well, you can see it's not an inexpensive proposition to do this over here at MMO. So these dApps do have a lot of fees involved, right? Because they need to make their money. And with the price of crow going down, they need to make more crow, I guess, to break even. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, so now we have a stake of about $37 as of today. So we'll come check on this in a couple weeks, in a month, in 3 months, in a year, and see how much we got. So be sure you guys subscribe and see how this goes for us. Thanks for watching.